Kamusta mga balibulista? Wagi ang Capital One Solar Spikers kontra sa Galleries Tower High Risers 25-13, 26-28, 25-22, 25-21. Best player of the game si Des Clemente sa likod ng kanyang 14 points mula sa 11 attacks at 3 blocks. Winalis naman ng Signal HD Spikers ang Inex-led Chameleons 27-25, 25-20, 25-20. Best player of the game si MJ Reyes matapos nagtala ng 17 points attack at may kasamang 10 excellent digs. Pinataob naman ng Akari Chargers ang Farm Fresh 25-19, 25-22, 25-19. Tinanghal na best player of the game si Gritzel Soltones matapos nagtala ng 15 points mula sa 12 attacks, 1 block at 2 aces. Kung bago ka pa lamang sa channel na to, mag-like na at subscribe. Heto ang match team standings as of August 20, 2024. Akari Chargers 8 wins, 0 loss, 21 points. Signal HD Spikers 7 wins, 1 loss, 20 points. Kremlin Cold Smashers 5 wins, 2 losses, 17 points. PLDT High Speed Hitters 5 wins, 2 losses, 16 points. Cherry Tigo Crossovers 5 wins, 2 losses, 15 points. Capital One Solar Spikers 5 wins, 3 losses, 13 points. Petrogas Angels 4 wins, 3 losses, 11 points. Farm Fresh 3 wins, 5 losses, 8 points. Chocomocho Flying Titans 2 wins, 5 losses, 7 points. Inex-led Chameleons 1 win, 7 losses, 3 points. Galleries Tower High Risers 0 win, 8 losses, 4 points. Zeus Thunderbells 0 win, 7 losses, 0 point. Kung umabot ka dito sa video na to, mag-like na at subscribe. Heto ang mga laro ngayong August 22, 2024 na gaganapin sa PhilOL EcoOL Center. Sa first game, maglalaban ang Kremlin Cold Smashers kontra sa Zeus Thunderbells alauna ng hapon. Sa second game, magtutos ang PLDT High Speed Hitters at Chocomocho Flying Titans alas 3 ng hapon. At sa main game naman, maglalaban ng Cherry Tigo Crossovers at Petrogas Angels alas 5 ng hapon. Kung nagustuhan mo ang video na to, mag-like na at subscribe.